Astronomers were recently studying a distant galaxy cluster when they detected what may be the biggest explosion seen in the universe since the Big Bang. The explosion was extremely slow and took place over hundreds of millions of years. It came from a supermassive black hole at the center of the Ophiuchus galaxy cluster, some 390 million light-years from Earth. So, the black holes don't just draw matter in, they also blast out jets of material and energy. The explosion released 5 times more energy than the previous record holder. It was so large that it literally cut a hole in the hot gas that could hold 15 Milky Ways. Professor Johnston Hollett said astronomers had previously seen the hole in the cluster plasma with X-ray telescopes. But they initially dismissed the idea that an energetic outburst may have caused it because it would have been too big. But it really is that. That tells us what a weird place the universe is. For this discovery, the researchers used 4 telescopes across the globe, including NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and the European Space Agency's XMM Newton X-ray Space Observatory. This discovery emphasizes the importance of studying the universe at different wavelengths. The discovery could open doors for further discoveries like it. Johnston Hollett says it's a bit like archaeology. She says they have been given the tools to dig deeper with low-frequency radio telescopes, so they should be able to find more outbursts like this.